Hello everyone, let's learn phonic sound today, and the first letter that we are going to learn is letter A. A, apple. A, arrow. A, X. A, ant. A, alligator. And the next letter is letter B. B, book. B, bird. B, butterfly. B, boy. B, ball. B, bat. B, bee. So we learn the sound of letter A is A and the sound of B is B. See you in next shots. Till then, bye bye.